Hi folks, it's a great day at Johnson RV at our premium pre-owned superstore in Fife, Washington. We've got liquid sunshine coming down, which we're so much known for in the Pacific Northwest. Would rather be inside our huge indoor showroom, but for now, we're going to preview our 2012 Pleasure Way Plateau RB edition on a 3500 Sprinter chassis. Again, we're a premium pre-owned superstore. This coach has under 32,000 original miles. Pleasure Way has been in business for over 3 decades and is one of the leaders in the industry as far as quality, workmanship. They take about 6 to 7 weeks to build each coach. This coach has a Fiamma awning, as you can see up above. Coming around to the back, look at the room inside this coach. This Class B is highly sought after. A premium pre-owned unit like this, they're very, very rare. Look how much room's inside. We'll get inside here in just a moment to show you a few more things. You can see you've got under bed storage. You've got your power cord ready, easily accessible. You've got your awning arm. Again, Pleasure Way has been in this industry for over 3 decades. Here's your access for your power. If you have a cable TV hookup at your campground, plug it in. Plug in your city water, fill up your tank there, freshwater tank. Easily accessible drain to drain your gray water, drain your black water. This chassis has ultra leather covered by Pleasure Way. The Sprinter front captain's chairs are considered to be among the most comfortable and smoothest swivel operations in the industry. This coach has a tilt wheel and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, power mirrors, power windows, power door locks. The Blue Tech, very efficient powertrain. Mercedes has been building diesels for over 100 years, among the tops in the industry. We'll take a break, we'll meet back inside and we'll show you some features of this beautiful coach on the inside. Hi folks, again coming inside of this beautiful 2012 Pleasure Way Plateau. This floor plan has swivel seats, as you can see. We mentioned some things about the front chassis, the tilt wheel, the telescopic steering wheel. But look at the room up front. In front of this driver's chair, you can see that you've got a workstation, you've got a TV, you've got a monitor, you can hook up your computer. You've got an area below to store things. You've got an AM, FM, CD player. Up above this area, you've got the controls to start your generator. You can dry camp this coach. Push a button, you've got power. Push a button next to it, you've got hot water. Next to that, turn on your freshwater system. You've got your tank levels for your all-in-one toilet, shower, sink. There's a drain underneath that carpet. You've got a light. And it's just, the fit and finish is just top of the line. European hinges, quality woods. Amazing. Look at this solid surface. Stainless steel. Double burner cooktop. You can seal it off. You can put a coffee pot there. You got a place for paper towels. Look at the dovetail work on the woodwork. It's just done right. We're not doing staples. We're doing just really, really good work. Quality screws, quality hinges, lots of space. You've got a GFI electrical protected outlet right there. Up above here, you have a fantastic fan. Many of you have heard about those. They're quiet, they're efficient. Pulls out the cooking vapors. This model has the optional convection carousel microwave oven. You can bake your cookies, your biscuits, your pies. You've got a refrigerator. You've got a freezer. And you've got a roomy bed. And you've got, just above that bed, a nice closet. Your post for your table's secure. You can put your table up front of your 2 chairs, have a snack, put your laptop on there. You can do business on the road. Above the bed, you've got lots of cabinetry. You've got air conditioning. On the ceiling, you've got LED lights. Again, Pleasure Way is known for quality workmanship, amazing resale value. one of the best sellers in North America, and backed by a company that has a heart. Johnson RV, reputable company, very highly rated. If you have any more questions, 253-286-0833. Call Chris Dunmeyer at Johnson RV. Hope to see you. Take care.